Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the account that holds your contacts is active. Go to Contacts, Google, and sign in, then export as Google CSV or vCard. This preserves fields and groups. On Android, enable Contact Sync, and on iPhone, temporarily disable iCloud Contact Sync to avoid conflicts. Once done, download the exported file and inspect it for duplicates or odd characters. Make sure to remove temporary accounts if you used a device to access the old account. Now switch to the Google account you want as primary and open Contacts. Google, use import and choose the CSV or vCard you exported. Google will create contacts with original fields. If prompted to map columns, match name, email, phone, and notes to preserve data. Once imported, use Merge and Fix to combine duplicates and verify labels transferred correctly. Make sure to check frequently used contacts first, and verify synchronization on your phone so changes populate across devices. Finish by confirming the new Google account syncs on all your devices. Open Contacts on mobile and wait for full sync. If some fields are missing, reopen the CSV to correct column headers and re-import only affected contacts, or edit them manually for accuracy. Once done, remove the old account from device sync or set it to contacts off to avoid reintroducing outdated entries. If something goes wrong, try Merge and Fix, re-export/import, or clear app cache before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.